Okay, so before we start our project, first we are going to make sure that the demo, the test game, does work. First of all, you want to go ahead and click on Edit, go to Project Settings, and click on Player. Now, regardless if you're using web player or the standalone, just go ahead and click on Running Background. Same thing for web player, make sure both of them running background. Just to make sure, so you know this, any game that you want to do networking on, it doesn't matter if it is Unity networking, Photon networking, SmartFox, Electro server, I don't know, Litgren, NetDog, Badumna, anything that needs to be network, or even socket connections, you have to have running background rundown. Because once you click out of the screen, you get logged off automatically. That'll be one of the main problems that people have when they're doing networking. They click off the screen sometimes to switch between screens. You know, if you're doing two screens, they get confused. Why is this connecting? Anyhow, I did that, and I go ahead and show my folders. Yes, I know, I got a whole bunch of folders. I'm gonna create a new empty project in here, and then I'm just gonna call it Blast Test Photon. And then go like this, and then open up my test game. So I'm gonna say my scene, and then if I click on, I don't know, the plane and press F to frame it, this is all I see. Now go to File, World Settings, and then Add Current. So I'll need to see the test game. It's gonna say all this crazy stuff. It doesn't matter what target platform, web player, Mac standalone, Mac, whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna do Windows 64. I'm gonna click on Build, go to Desktop, and let me look for a folder. Here it is. Tester and save. And it's gonna really quick kind of build up your project. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it for a second. Okay, now that he actually built the project, see the tester, so I can just go ahead and put this off the side, and then click here and just click play, and then just put something, and then you can create a room. So and then click go, and then it will load up my character. And then if I click on the other screen, now, so you know, from now on, I'm always gonna make the Unity editor start as a server, and then the other side, the build, as a client. So it's easy for you to understand and know who is server and who is client. So when I say the client is not doing this, it's doing something wrong, or the server, you will know which one is it, because the editor will be the server. So I hit play. So this is the client. So you see, I got a room that's made by the Unity editor, and then it automatically works off the bat. You see, it lets me jump, blah blah blah. And yes, it's not fully synced, the animations, for some reason. That can always be changed later on. Oh, now it's playing the animation. It just play a little kind of glitchy. Anyhow, in our case, when you're using animation, and don't worry about it, it doesn't mean that Photon sucks or anything like that. For those people who are watching the tutorial. Okay, it just means that there's probably room for improvement into the scripts or whatnot. And now, then again, if I play it locally, it might not be the same way as when you really play it online. So if I give this to somebody else and I see him, I might actually see the animation playing fully normal versus play it here locally. Okay, so now that we got this working, we're gonna start doing our own project, pretty much with the asteroids. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.